Namaste everyone, it's me Shailendra. Welcome you to online monastic classes. We are doing trigonometry, and first exercise of trigonometry we have multiple angles. In previous videos we have learned how to prove the formulas of multiple angle and submultiple angles. Today we will do the exercise of the first exercise, that is multiple angle. Here are few questions you can see. In monastic school, we have in OPT math read more publication book, and that's the question from the same book. Now start today class with first question. What is multiple angle? We have learned about it. Let A be an any angle, then 2A, 3A, 4A, so on, etc. are called multiple angles of A. I think you are able to define this. Now start with question number 2. In question number 2, we have to convert cos 2A in terms of cos A. We have learned how to prove this. Question arises. This question may be asked in two ways. One in very short question, one in short question. When it is asked in very short question, we can directly write the formula, that is 2 cos square A minus 1. But if it asked in short question, what we have learned, the way to prove we have to do. Cos 2A. We have learned we can write 2A as A plus A. Now it's the formula of cos of A plus B, cos A into cos B, but in place of B there is A, minus sin A into sin B. Again in place of B we have to write A. It came cos square A minus sin square A. But we want the result in cos, so we have to convert sin square A into cos, that is 1 minus cos square A. Now do the simplification. Minus 1 plus cos square A equal to 2 cos square A minus 1. That's the answer. Now you can do same way 10 to A. You have to express 10 to A in terms of 10A, cos 2A in terms of sin A. We have learned the question number 2 also, how we can prove the relation sin 3A in sin, cos 3A in cos, and tan 3A in tan. So I think you are able to do all these questions of number 1 and 2. Now from question number 3. Question number 3, first of all, what's the given things is? Here, sin of A is equal to 1 by 2. We have to find the value of cos of 2A. We have learned 5 formulas of cos 2A. Which formula we can use here so that it will be easy for us? Although we can use any one, but if we use other formula, then we have to find cos A also. Then we can use formula cos square A minus sin square A, 2 cos square A minus 1. With the help of sin A, we can directly use 1 minus 2 sin square A. If we find the value of tan A, then we can use the formula of 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. So here when sin A is given, it is better to use the formula in sine if it is there. So we know that we have the formula of cos 2a 1 minus 2 sine square a. Sine a value is 1 by 2 whole square, that is 1 by 4. Cancel this, do the simplify, 2 minus 1, 1 by 2. That's the way to solve this question. We can do here in different method, but don't do this method which I am going to do. Here is what? Sine A is 1 by 2. You know that value of 1 by 2 in sine is sine 30 degree. Therefore, A came 30. Now what we have to find? Cos 2A equal cos 2 into 30, that is cos 60 degree, and cos 60 degree value is 1 by 2. We can do this, but don't prefer this method. We are using multiple angles formula to solve this question. Question number P, cos A is given. You have to find cos 2A. Then directly use the formula of cos 2A, 2 cos square A minus 1, and substitute the value of cos A. Tan A is given, you have to find cos 2A. Same way you can do. Use the formula of cos 2A in tan, that is 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. Sin A equal 1 by 2 is given, and you have to find the value of sin 3A. You can use the formula of sin 3A, 3 sin A minus 4 sin QA, and substitute the value. In all these questions of number 3, you just have to use the formula and substitute the value, you will find the answer. Now, from here in question number 1, here given things are value of sine of A is given 4 by 5 and cos of B is given 12 by 13. In first question, we have to find the value of sine of 2A. What's the formula we have learned of sine 2A? We have formula 2 sine A cos A. But here we have the value of only sine A. So for this we will find first cos A, that is root under 1 minus sine square A. Now put the value of sine A, 4 by 5 whole square. Do the simplification. It came 9 by 25, that is 3 by 5. Now we can use, since sine of 2A formula is 2 sine A cos A, substitute the value now. You have the value of sine A 4 by 5 and value of cos A 3 by 5. If we do the multiply, it came 24 by 25. That's answer. For question number B, we have to find cos 2B. We have many formula for cos, but we know the value of cos B, so we will prefer the formula of 2 cos square beta minus 1. Now substitute the value. Cos beta is 12 by 13. Do the simplify. Take the LCM. 288 minus 169. That is 119 by 169. That's our answer. In third question, we have to find tan A. tan of 2a. We have only one formula of tan of 2a, that is 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square. It means we need the value of tan a. Here we have sin a equal 4 by 5. To find out the tan a, we have two options. First, find the value of cos a, then tan a. Or we can use taking sin a equal 4 by 5. We have the formula in PBH. P equal 4, H equal 5. Then we can find the B formula. It came 5 square minus 4 square, 25 minus 16. It came 3. Then we know that tan A is equal to P by B, that is 4 by 3. After finding the value of tan A, we can utilize the formula of tan 2A, which is 2 times tan A by 1 minus tan square. That is 2. Tan A value is 4 by 3. 1 minus 4 by 3 whole square. 8 by 3. 1 minus 16 by 9. 8 by 3. 9 minus 16. 9 by minus 7. It came minus 24 by 7. In this way, you can find another value, that is sin 3a. So we have formula of sin 3a. What's the formula of sin 3a we have? We have sin 3a equal 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. Substitute the value. Sin a is 4 by 5. Sin cube a, sin a value is 4 by 5, its cube. 12 by 5. 4 cube is 64 and 5 cube is 125. Take the LCM. 12 multiplied by 25 is 300. It came to 56. That is 44 by 125. Then now you can do the next question, that is cos 3b. Directly use the formula of cos 3b. 4 cos cube b minus 3 cos b. You have already the formula of cos b. Tan 3a, same way, find the formula of tan a, then use the formula of tan 3a, put the value. So you can do these question number D, E and question number 2. Now let's start the question from number 3. That's how to prove these questions. That's the important things. Start now. First question we have sin 3a by sin a minus cos of 3a by cos a. There are two possible ways for us. First, take the LCM. Do the simplification. Here it is sin 3a. In LCM it is sin a cos a. Leave the sin a. Here came cos a. Here is cos a. Leave it. Then sin a came. Now look upper part. That's the formula of sin a minus b. Sin of 3a minus a. Do the subtract. Sin of 2a. Now use the formula of sin of 2a. That is 2 sin a cos a by sine A cos A. Solve it. Your result is 2. That's you have to prove. For second method, LHS, sine of 3A by sine A minus cos of 3A by cos A. Write the formula of sine 3A. 3 sine A minus 4 sine cube A by sine A. Here, minus 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A by cos A. Do the divide. 3 minus 4 sine square A minus 4 cos square A and minus minus plus 3. It came 6. Take the common. Sine square A plus cos square A. Minus is taken common there. Sine square A plus cos square A is 1. 6 minus 4 is 2. That's the RHS completed. You must have to know how to do the simplification. After using the formula, most of the algebraic work will be done. Instead of AB, there will be trigonometric ratios. To do the question of trigonometry nicely, you must have to know how to simplify the algebraic terms. Look in question number B. Exactly same question, but now look these things. Here is sine 4A. If I have to convert this into 2A, we can write sine 2 into 2A. We have already the formula of sine of 2A, but in place of A, here is now 2A. So what's the formula we have? 2 sine A. But here in place of here is 2A, so we have to write 2A cos 2A. Suppose it is sine 6A. We have to convert it into 3A. Then we can write 2 into 3A. The sine 2A formula is 2 sine A cos A. So 2 sine 3A and cos 3A. Instead of this, if we required 3 into 2A, then that's the formula of sine 3A. It will be 3 sine 2A minus 4 sine cube 2A. Come to the question number B. It is sine of 5A by sine A minus cos of 5A by cos A. Take the LCM. It came sine of 5A into cos A minus cos of 5A into sine A. Look the upper parts, that is numerator. That's in the form of sine of A minus B. Sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. So we can write sine of 5A minus A. Do the subtract. 5A minus A is 4A. Now we want the result in cos 2A. So in place of 4 we can write 2 into 2A. We have learned how to write the formula of this, that is 2 sine of 2A cos of 2A. Again, we have to write the formula of sine 2A, that is 2 sine A cos A into cos 2A. Cancel these. That's your result. 4 times cos 2a. What you have to prove? Exactly the same question as earlier, but earlier it was 2a. You have directly written the formula, but here is 4a. In 4a we have written 2 into 2a, then sin 2a formula is written, and after simplifying we get the final result. Now come to the question number C. Here is tan 2a minus sin 2a. When we look the RHS, we want the result in tan. So we have formula of tan 2a in tan, that is 2 times tan a by 1 minus tan square a. We have also the formula of sin 2a in tan, that is 2 times tan a by 1 plus tan square a. You know how to take the LCM of these two. Both are different, so take the LCM. Both will be the LCM. 2 tan a is multiplied with 1 plus tan square a, and here minus 2 tan a is multiplied with 1 minus tan square a. So what we can do now? 2 tan a. If there was mistake in the question. If the question will be this, then answer will be different. For the correct answer, we have to change the question here. That will be plus 2 tan a plus 2 tan cube a plus 2 tan a minus 2 tan cube a by 1 square minus tan square a whole square. That is 4 times tan a by 1 minus tan to the power 4a. What we have done in this question? We have written the formula of tan 2a and sin 2a in tan. Then taking LCM and simplifying, we got the final result. Now come to the question number D. When you are solving such type of question, we must have to know the simplification, and up to those you can do, you must have to do. Then look, now which formula can be applied there? Apply the formula and solve. Here we have LCM of these two is cos a minus sin a into cos a plus sin a. This multiplied with cos a plus sin a. This multiplied with cos a minus sin a. It came cos a square a plus cos a sin a. Cos a square a plus cos a sin a. In denominator you can see that is a minus b and a plus b. Use the formula a square minus b square. Here is plus cos a square a, here is minus. These two are same. 2 sin a cos a. Cos a square a minus sin square a, you know the formula, cos 2a. 2 sin a cos a is 2 tan a. 2 sin a cos a is sin 2a. Sin 2a by cos 2a we have tan 2a. That's the proof completed. Question number E and F. Exactly same as what we have done in question number 3, A and B. So I think now you are able to do all these questions up to question number 3. Now come to the question number 4. Question number 4a. In LHS, 1 minus sine 2a by cos 2a. And we want the result sec 2a minus tan 2a. When we have to prove such trigonometric identities, we always have to look the RHS. It gives us ideas what we have to do next. What's the way we have to go? Here we want sec and tan. Look in LHS now. If I separate this, if I write in this way, 1 minus cos 2a minus sine 2a by cos 2a, then we will get sec 2a minus tan 2a. That's your result. That's the proof completed. Question number B. Cos 2a by 1 plus sine 2a. There are two possible options if we do it from the LHS. First of all, we want the result in tan. We have the formula of cos 2a and sine 2a both in tan, so we can use the formula of these two in tan. Cos 2a formula is 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a, and sine 2a formula is 2 times tan a by 1 plus tan square a. Just do the simplification. Upper part we don't have to do anything. Now here we can take the LCM, that is 1 plus tan square a. 1 plus tan square a plus 2 tan a. Now look carefully what's the remainder is. It's in the form of a square minus b square, and in denominator what's the expression you have? You can arrange in this way: 2 into 1 into tan a plus tan a whole square. It is 1 plus tan a, 1 minus tan a, and in denominator it is 1 plus tan a whole square. Cancel these two. 1 minus tan a by 1 plus tan a. That's the result we want. Again, look what we have done. First of all, we have written the formula of cos 2a and sine 2a. Then taking LCM, simplifying. What's came in numerator and denominator? Do the simplification. Both are in formulas. Use the formula and solve. That's your result. For second method of this question, what we have to do, first cos 2a formula we will write cos square a minus sine square a. Here is 1, so in place of 1 we can write cos square a plus sine square a plus 2 sine a cos a. Upper part, that is in numerator, you have the formula a square minus b square, cos a plus sine a, cos a minus sine a. In denominator, it's in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab. That's the formula of a plus b whole square. These two cancelled. Cos a minus sine a by cos a plus sine a. But we want the result in tan. Now we came up to cos a minus sine a. Look carefully. If we divide numerator and denominator with tan a, we will get the result. Dividing numerator and denominator by cos A. We get cos A by cos A minus sin A by cos A, cos A by cos A plus sin A by cos A. Do the simplify. It came 1 minus tan A by 1 plus tan A. So which one you feel easier, you can use. Now come to the question number C. Question number 4C, LHS is 1 plus cos 2A by sin 2A. We have formula of cos 2A and sin 2A in chord. We can put, then we can solve. That will be the longer. We have direct formula of this whole. We have formula of 1 plus cos 2A, 2 cos square A. And we have the formula of sin 2A, 2 sin A cos A. Then do the simplification. What came? Cos A by sin A is equal to cot A. That's your result. If you haven't remembered this formula, then use the formula of cos 2A so that you can cancel one. So you can add one more step, 1 plus 2 cos square A minus 1, then 1 cancelled, then you can do. But it is better to remember this formula. Now come to the question number D. It's almost same as question number C, but what are the changes you can note there? Here is sec 2A. Do the simplification. It came, sec 2A formula is 1 by cos 2A, and here we can write in place of tan 2A, sin 2A by cos 2A. It came cos 2A plus 1 by cos 2A into cos 2A by sin 2A. You know, when divide is converted into multiply, then we have to write the reciprocal of it. It came 1 plus cos 2A by sin 2A. We have done earlier. 1 plus cos 2A formula is 2 cos A square A. Sin 2A formula is 2 sin A cos A. Do the simplification. What left? That's our result. That is cot A. We have completed up to question number D. Now in question E. Question number E, you want the result in cos 2A. Either we can convert all of them in sin and cos, or converting all in tan or in cot. By many methods we can solve. I will prefer to convert it into tan. So what's the formula of cot A in tan? You have learned the reciprocal formula in class 9. Cot A formula is 1 by tan A. Right, wherever there is cot A, 1 plus tan A. Then do the simplification. Tan A is LCM, 1 minus tan A square A. In numerator also tan A is LCM, and upper part came 1 plus tan A square A. What the result came? Now that's the formula of cos 2A. It is proved. Question number F. Same as this. First convert them in sin and cos. Then do the simplification. LHS cosec 2A plus cot 2a. Convert it into sine. Convert cot into cos and sine. Then take the LCM. 1 plus cos 2a by sine 2a. Then you know how to simplify this. We have learned how to use the formula in these cases. 2 cancelled, these 2 cancelled. Cos a by sine a is equal to cot a. That's the proof. Now in question number G, these are the questions which frequently asked in SCE exam in 2 marks. One plus cos a plus cos 2. We want the result in tan a. It means we have to convert all of them in a. The here is 2a, so formula 2 sin a cos a. Either you can write both inside the bracket then using the formula, or what you can do, in place of cos 2a you can write the formula 2 cos square a minus 1. Take the common, it came 2 cos a plus 1. In denominator cos a is common, 1 plus 2 cos a. These two are same. Sin a by cos a is tan a. That's your result. Now, question number H. LHS is 2 sin 2a plus sin 4a by 2 sin 2a minus sin 4a. Here is 2a, here is 4a. The first convert 4 into 2. Don't write the formula of sin 2a at first. It can be written as sin 2 into 2a. In denominator also you can write sin 2 into 2a. What's the formula we have? 2 sin 2a cos 2a. Again, what's the we have formula for this? 2 sin 2a cos 2a. Now from here what we can do? Those things which can be done, simplify, do. 2 sin 2a is common, it came 1 plus cos 2a. 2 sin 2a is common, it came 1 minus cos 2a. Cancelled. 1 plus cos 2a formula is 2 cos square a. 1 minus cos 2a formula is 2 sin square a. That's the result, cot square a. That's our answer. In question number I, question number I, 1 plus sin 2a minus cos 2a by 1 plus sin 2a plus cos 2a. Either we can group these two so that we can write directly formula, or we can use the formula of cos 2a so that one can be cancelled. What's the formula of 1 minus cos 2a? It is 2 sin square a. Sin 2a formula is 2 sin a cos a. 1 plus cos 2a formula is 2 cos square a. Sin 2a formula is 2 sin a cos a. Now take the LCM. Again in denominator take the LCM. Sin a plus cos a plus sin a both are same. 2 cancelled. Sin by cos is tan a. That's our result. Question number G. LHS is sine A minus 1 plus sine 2A. Then cos A minus 1 plus sine 2A. When we see this 1 plus sine 2A and result there is no square root, so first priority, remove the square root. How can we remove the square root? We must need some expression in the form of a square. So we can write 1 as sine square A plus cos square A or cos square A plus sine square A. Again here, sine square A plus cos square A plus 2 sine A cos A. Now, they are in the form of A plus B whole square. You can write sine A plus cos A whole square. Down it is sine A minus cos A whole square. So when it is a square, now we can remove the square root. It is sine A plus cos A. Down it is cos A minus sine A minus cos A. There is plus sine A minus cos A. Here it came cos A minus sine A minus cos A. Now do the simplify, cancel those. Minus cos A by minus sine A. It came cot A. That's the proof completed. Again, look this question. 1 plus sine 2A. We have learned how to prove this formula. 1 plus sine 2A formula is sine A plus cos A. You can write in place of 1 sine square A plus cos square A, in place of sine 2A 2 sine A cos A. That's the formula of sine A plus cos A whole square. The square root is removed now. Then do the simplify. That's your result. Question number K. Here it is sec 4a the result. We can write tan 4a is sine of 4a by cos of 4a and tan 2a as sine of 2a by cos of 2a. Take the LCM. Do the simplification. Which formula it is? Cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin B. That is cos of A minus B. Cos of 4A minus 2A. Do the subtract. 4A minus 2A is 2A. Cos 4A into cos 2A. These two cancelled. 1 by cos 4a is equal to sec 4a. That's our result. We have completed up to K now. Question number L. L is cos A minus sin A by cos A plus sin A. We want the result sec 2a tan 2a. If we go further, 1 by cos 2a minus sin 2a, taking LCM cos 2a will be LCM in RHS. It means we want cos 2a in denominator. we have formula of cos 2a cos square a minus sin square a. So we will multiply numerator and denominator with cos a minus sin a. In upper part it is cos a minus sin a whole square, cos a square a plus sin square a minus 2 sin a cos a by cos square a minus sin square a. Cos square a minus sin square a is 1 and 2 sin a cos a is sin 2a. Cos square a minus sin square a is cos 2a. Then write it separately. 1 by cos 2a minus sin 2a by cos 2a. It came sec 2a minus tan 2a. That's the proof completed. Now we have question number M. Look in LHS. It is sine of 4a by cos of 2a 1 minus cos of 2a by 1 minus cos of 4a. Here we have here value in 4a 2a 4a 2a. First convert 4a into 2a. Where there is 4a, we have written 2 into 2a. We have formula of sin 2a, 2 sin a cos a. 1 minus cos 2a formula, we can write it later. That's the formula of 2 sin square 2a. 2 cancelled, cos 2a cancelled, this cancelled. It came 1 minus cos 2a by sin 2a. Now we will convert this in a. 1 minus cos 2a formula is 2 sin square a and sin 2a formula is 2 sin a cos a. Cancel these. It came sin a by cos a, that is tan a root. We have completed question number M. Now this you have already learned this type of question. Convert them both in sine and cos and do the simplification same as K. You will get this result, question number N. Now move to question number O. In question number O, LHS is cos QA plus sin QA by cos A plus sin A. But in RHS, there is nothing in the denominator. It means we must have to cancel this. So we can use the formula of AQ plus BQ, that is cos A plus sin A into cos A square A plus sin A square A minus cos A sin A divided by cos A plus sin A. We have written the formula of AQ plus BQ, A plus B, A square plus B square minus AB. These two cancelled. Cos A square plus sin A square A is 1. And we can write sin A cos A. But in RHS we need 2. There is nothing in the denominator, but we must want 2 in the denominator. So multiply it with 2 by 2. Now inside the bracket multiply it with 2. 2 sin A cos A came, and you know the formula, it is sin 2A. That's our proof. Question number P. You can write the formula of sin 2A in 10 and solving that you will get this result. Now come to the question number Q. That's one of the long question we have. cosec 2a plus cot 4a. In such type of question, be careful, take either LHS or RHS, but prefer where you have the bigger value of cot. Now you can write 1 by sin 2a plus cos 4a by sin 4a. Convert this into 2a. Cos 2 into 2a by sin 4a. It came 2 cos square 2a minus 1. You can ask why I haven't solved this. Look this step. If I write separately now, it came minus 1 by sin 4a, and one of our, in RHS we want cosec 4a, that's why I haven't written that in 2, but now we can convert sin 4 into 2 into 2a, and that is minus cosec 4a. What's the formula we have of sin 2a? 2 sin a cos a, but in place of a there is 2a. Cancel this. What left? Now you have to take LCM. 1 plus cos 2a is 2 cos a square a, and sin 2a is 2 sin a cos a, minus cosec 2a is cosec 2a, cosec 4a here, cosec 4a. Cancel this. Cos a by sin a is cot a minus cosec 4a. That's the RHS we have to prove. We have completed the question number Q. In this question, convert it in sin and cos. Then take the LCM. You will complete this question number R. Now in question number 5a. If you look it carefully, that's the formula. 1 minus 10 square 45 minus a, 1 plus 10 square 45 minus a. That's the formula of cos 2a, but in place of a there is 45 minus a. So we can write it cos 2 times 45 minus a, cos 90 degree minus 2a, cos 90 minus 2a is sin 2a. Exactly the same, that's the formula of sin of 2a, then you will get the result cos 2a. Question number C. Cot of 45 degree minus a. Use the formula cot of a into cot b minus 1 by cot b plus cot a. We want the result in sin and cos. So write the formula of cot 45 and convert these into cos and sin. Take the LCM. In denominator also do the same thing. When you look in RHS, your result is 10 to a, sec 2a. When you solve that in denominator, it must be cos 2a. For this, we have to multiply numerator and denominator with cos A minus sin A. That is cos square A plus sin square A minus 2 sin A cos A by cos square A minus sin square A. This whole became 1. This formula of sin 2A. This is the formula of cos 2A. Write it separately. 1 by cos 2A minus sin 2A by cos 2A. That is sec 2A minus tan 2A. That's the results we want. Now in question number D. D and E both are the same question. That's one of the important question which is frequently asked in SLC, SEE in 4 mark. Question number D. We prefer two methods. First, take the LCM. Here you have to remember this point. We have to multiply numerator and denominator by 1 by 2 so that we can make this in the formula. The multiplying numerator and denominator by 1 by 2, we get 1 by 2 cos 10 minus root 3 by 2 sin 10 1 by 2 sin 10 cos 10. We want to arrange all these in formula, so we can write 1 by 2 value sin 30, cos 10, cos 30, sin 10. Now you can see this in the form of sin of A minus B. Here we have the formula sin A cos A is only there. If we have 2, it will be the formula. So multiplied by 2. Now in up, it is sin of A minus B, and down it is 2 sin 10 cos 10. 4 came up, then it is sin 2 into 10. 4 sin 20 by sin 20, cancel these two, it's 4, that's your result. First of all, we have taken the LCM. It came sin 10 cos 10, this multiplied with cos 10, here it is sin 10. Then multiply numerator and denominator by 1 by 2. Whatever the result came, we have arranged that. We have retained the value of 1 by 2 and root 3 by 2, one in sin, another in cos, so that it will be the formula of sin of A minus B. Now in denominator, we have multiplied by 2 by 2, so that we can write the formula of 2 sin A cos A and solved. For second method, you know root 3 is the value of tan 30. Or 1060. So you can write 1060 as sin 60 by cos 60. Now you have LCM. Upper part came cos 60, cos 10 minus sin 60, sin 10. Now look carefully what's formula you have. Cos of A plus B. And cos 60 value is 1 by 2. It is sin 10 cos 10. We have to multiply it by 2 by 2. It is 2 sin 10 cos 10. We have to convert this cos into sin, so we can write 90 minus 20. It will be 90 minus 20 is 70. 4 goes up. It came sin 2 into 10. 4 sine 20 by sine 20. Cancel these two. That's the 4. That's the answer you have. Now in question number 5, F. Again, one of the important question. In denominator we need 4, but here is no 4. So use 4 into 4. It came 1 by 4. 4 cos q 20 plus 4 sin q 10. We have formula of 4 cos q 10. It is 3 cos 20 plus cos 3 into 20. And formula of this is 3 sin 10 minus sin 3 into 10. 1 by 4, 3 cos 20 plus 3 sin 10 plus cos 60 minus sin 30. Take the common. Cos 60 value is 1 by 2. Sin 30 value is 1 by 2. That's the result you want. That's the RHS we have completed. For the last question, it is 10a plus b, 10a minus b. In place of pi by 4, we can write 45. Then write the formula of 10a plus b and 10 minus b and do the simplification. You will get this result.